Welcome to our comprehensive guide on industries for ICSE Class 10. In this video, we'll explore the classification of industries, major industrial regions in India, and take a closer look at key industries like iron and steel, cotton, textiles, petroleum, and the IT sector. Understanding industries is crucial as they form the backbone of a nation's economy, providing employment, driving innovation, and shaping the way we live. Let's begin by understanding what exactly an industry is and why it holds such importance in our daily lives and the country's development. Industry refers to any economic activity concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals, or provision of services. Industries can range from manufacturing cars to providing IT solutions. They are classified based on various factors such as the type of raw materials used, the size of the enterprise, and the ownership structure. This classification helps us understand the diversity and complexity of industrial activities that contribute to the nation's growth. Industries can be classified in several ways. The most common classifications are based on raw materials, size, and ownership. Each classification provides a unique perspective on how industries operate and their role in the economy. For instance, some industries rely on natural resources, while others depend on human skills or capital investment. Let's delve deeper into each classification to understand their significance. Industries are often classified according to the raw materials they use. For example, agro-based industries use agricultural products, while mineral-based industries rely on minerals and ores. This classification helps in understanding the source of inputs and the nature of products manufactured. It also highlights the interdependence between different sectors of the economy, such as agriculture and industry. Agro-based industries are those that use agricultural products as their main raw materials. Examples include the cotton textile industry, sugar industry, and food processing units. These industries are vital for adding value to farm produce, generating employment, and supporting rural economies. They also help in reducing wastage by processing perishable goods into durable products. Mineral-based industries use minerals and ores as their primary raw materials. The iron and steel industry is a classic example, as it relies heavily on iron ore, coal, and limestone. These industries are crucial for infrastructure development, manufacturing machinery, and supporting other sectors like construction and transportation. Industries can also be classified based on their size, which is determined by the amount of capital invested, the number of employees, and the volume of production. Small-scale industries typically have lower investment and fewer employees, while large-scale industries involve significant capital and a large workforce. This classification helps in understanding the scale of operations and their impact on the economy. Small-scale industries are characterized by limited capital investment, fewer employees, and smaller production volumes. They often cater to local markets and play a crucial role in providing employment, especially in rural and semi-urban areas. Examples include handicrafts, cottage industries, and small manufacturing units. Large-scale industries involve substantial capital investment, advanced technology, and a large workforce. These industries produce goods on a mass scale and often cater to national and international markets. Examples include the iron and steel industry, automobile manufacturing, and large textile mills. Industries can also be classified based on ownership. This includes public sector industries owned by the government, private sector industries owned by individuals or companies, joint sector industries with both government and private ownership, and cooperative sector industries owned by a group of individuals. Each type has its own advantages and challenges. Public sector industries are owned and operated by the government. Their main objective is to provide essential goods and services, promote balanced regional development, and generate employment. Examples include Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited (BHEL) and Steel Authority of India Limited (SAIL). Private sector industries are owned by individuals or private companies. Their primary goal is to earn profits by producing goods and services efficiently. These industries are known for their innovation, competitiveness, and ability to adapt quickly to market changes. Examples include Tata Steel and Reliance Industries. Joint sector industries are owned and managed jointly by the government and private individuals or companies. This partnership combines the strengths of both sectors, promoting efficiency and public welfare. An example is Oil India Limited, where both government and private entities have a stake. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by a group of individuals who share profits and responsibilities. These industries are based on the principle of cooperation and mutual benefit. Examples include cooperative sugar mills and dairy cooperatives like AMUL. India's industrial development is not uniform across the country. Certain regions have emerged as major industrial hubs due to factors like availability of raw materials, skilled labor, transportation, and market access. Let's explore the key industrial regions that drive India's economy. The Mumbai-Pune region is one of India's oldest and most important industrial belts. It is known for its textile mills, engineering industries, and information technology companies. The region benefits from excellent port facilities, a skilled workforce, and a strong transportation network. Located along the Hugli River in West Bengal, this region is famous for its jute mills, engineering, and chemical industries. The proximity to Kolkata port and availability of raw materials have contributed to its growth as a major industrial hub. This region is renowned for its information technology, textile, and automobile industries. Bangalore, often called the Silicon Valley of India, is a global IT hub, while cities like Coimbatore and Chennai are known for textiles and automobiles. Gujarat is a leading industrial state with a strong presence in textiles, chemicals, petrochemicals, and engineering. The region's industrial growth is supported by its ports, entrepreneurial spirit, and government policies. The Chotanagpur Plateau, spread across Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal, is rich in minerals like coal and iron ore. This region is a major center for iron and steel, heavy engineering, and mining industries thanks to its abundant mineral resources. The location of industries depends on several factors, including availability of raw materials, skilled labor, power supply, transportation, and proximity to markets. These factors determine the cost of production and the overall success of an industry. The iron and steel industry is often called the backbone of modern industry. It provides raw materials for construction, machinery, transportation, and many other sectors. India is one of the world's leading producers of iron and steel, with major plants located in states like Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. Some of the major iron and steel plants in India include Tata Steel in Jamshedpur, Bhilai Steel Plant in Chhattisgarh, and Rourkela Steel Plant in Odisha. These plants are strategically located near sources of raw materials like iron ore and coal. Iron and steel are essential for building infrastructure like bridges, roads, and buildings. They are also used in manufacturing automobiles, ships, and machinery. The industry supports numerous other sectors and is a key driver of economic growth. Despite its importance, the iron and steel industry faces challenges such as high production costs, outdated technology, and environmental concerns. Addressing these issues is crucial for maintaining competitiveness and sustainability. Cotton textile industry is one of the oldest and most important industries in India. It involves spinning, weaving, and dyeing of cotton to produce fabrics. Major centers include Mumbai, Ahmedabad, and Coimbatore. The industry provides employment to millions and is a major contributor to exports. Mumbai, known as the Manchester of India, is a leading center for cotton textiles. Ahmedabad and Coimbatore are also major hubs thanks to their access to raw cotton, skilled labor, and favorable climate. These cities have a long tradition of textile manufacturing. Cotton textiles are essential for clothing, home furnishings, and industrial uses. The industry supports farmers, provides jobs, and earns valuable foreign exchange through exports. It also promotes the growth of related sectors like dyeing, printing, and packaging. The cotton textile industry faces challenges such as competition from synthetic fibers, fluctuating raw material prices, and outdated machinery. Modernization and innovation are key to overcoming these hurdles and maintaining global competitiveness. The petroleum industry is vital for energy production, transportation, and manufacturing. It includes exploration, extraction, refining, and distribution of petroleum products. Major oil fields are located in Assam, Gujarat, and offshore areas like Mumbai High. India has several major oil refineries, including those at Jamnagar, Gujarat, Mumbai, and Chennai. These refineries process crude oil into products like petrol, diesel, and LPG, which are essential for transportation and industry. Petroleum products are the lifeblood of modern economies. They power vehicles, generate electricity, and serve as raw materials for chemicals and plastics. The industry is a major source of revenue and employment, but also faces environmental challenges. The petroleum industry faces issues like fluctuating global oil prices, dependence on imports, and environmental concerns related to pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Developing alternative energy sources is essential for a sustainable future. The information technology (IT) industry has transformed India into a global technology hub. It includes software development, IT services, and business process outsourcing (BPO). Major centers are Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Gurgaon. India's IT industry has grown rapidly due to a skilled workforce, cost advantages, and supportive government policies. It has attracted global clients and contributed significantly to exports and employment generation. The IT sector has revolutionized communication, business processes, and access to information. It has created millions of jobs, boosted exports, and positioned India as a leader in the global digital economy. Despite its success, the IT industry faces challenges such as rapid technological changes, cybersecurity threats, and global competition. Continuous innovation and skill development are necessary to maintain India's edge in this sector. Industries play a pivotal role in economic development by creating jobs, generating income, and fostering innovation. They contribute to GDP, support infrastructure development, and improve living standards. A strong industrial base is essential for a nation's progress. Industrialization brings economic benefits but also poses environmental challenges. Pollution, resource depletion, and waste generation are major concerns. Sustainable industrial practices and environmental regulations are necessary to balance growth with ecological preservation. The Indian government has launched several initiatives to promote industrial growth, such as Make in India, Startup India, and Digital India. These programs aim to boost manufacturing, encourage entrepreneurship, and foster innovation across sectors. The future of Indian industries lies in embracing technology, sustainability, and global integration. Automation, green technologies, and digital transformation will shape the next phase of industrial growth, creating new opportunities and challenges. To keep pace with changing industry demands, skill development and vocational training are essential. Programs like Skill India aim to equip the workforce with relevant skills, ensuring employability and productivity in various sectors. Technology is transforming industries through automation, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. These advancements increase efficiency, reduce costs, and open up new avenues for growth. Staying updated with technological trends is crucial for industrial success. Sustainable industrial growth focuses on balancing economic development with environmental protection. This involves adopting cleaner technologies, efficient resource use, and waste management practices. Sustainable industries ensure long-term prosperity for society and the planet. Summary: industries are the driving force behind economic growth and development. Understanding their classification, regional distribution, and key sectors like iron and steel, cotton, textiles, petroleum, and IT is essential for grasping their impact on India's progress. As we move forward, embracing innovation, sustainability, and skill development will ensure that Indian industries continue to thrive in a rapidly changing world.